right, I'm here at the Haven Hotel in Medellín, Colombia. I got a basic room here with a jacuzzi on the balcony. They have a lot of different types of rooms here. You can get like a basic room, and they also have penthouses here as well. So you check it out. I got a nice sized bed here. A nice bathroom area. Pretty nice size shower here. Alright. Got this. Alright. It also comes with a safe. So we got the safe here. Also has a mini bar. Different drinks. Here. All right. Take you outside, let you see what the patio looks like.